welcome to Louis and Danny's Toys. Hey there guys, so today I'm going to be shopping for some stuff. I'm going to be I just want something super cute cat, because I kind of want a cat. It isn't working, just one guy. Okay. Super cute cat. Okay. Oh my god, that one looks adorable. It's 85 Robux though. It is actually really cute. I think I'm gonna buy it. Their item after purchase. I just bought it. This thing is so cute. Now I'm gonna sell my avatar. I kind of want to get rid of this. So yeah. I'm gonna go to customize. Customize. Okay. Purchase. I have something new in accessories. I think it's the waist. Yeah, it's the waist. Yes, I want that. Good. That's the same one I got. Okay, I'm gonna go to shoulder. Sorry, but I'm gonna have to delete this because it's too cute. Okay, so guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out our channel.